Hi everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about $log service. So, this $log service used for showing the error message, okay, information message, warning message, debugging message. So, in AngularJS, how we are using this logging service by using $log service attribute. Okay, that we can see here. So we can know some data about this $log. So AngularJS includes logging service called $log, which logs the message to the client browser, the console. That means while you are using log messages that we cannot see on the browser, that should be available in the console, browser console, that we can see. Right click on the browser window, then you can go for inspect elements, then we can click on console option, then we can see the output. Okay, whatever the information you want to display, so that we can see on the console. Okay. uh, the $log service includes different methods to handle log for error message, for displaying error message, for displaying information, for displaying warnings, or for displaying debug information. Okay, so why we can use this $log? It can be useful in debugging and auditing, right? So we can debug easily. Okay, $log in AngularJS. AngularJS programmers frequently use console.log message to display to see the data output. So to records errors or other information messages in their applications. Although this is a fine while debugging your application, yet it is not best practice for production environment. For production environment, we should use AngularJS service by using $log. Okay, and AngularJS is all about services. It is a better idea to create a debugging service that you can call from other services and components due to some event which needs to be logged. In this logging service, you can still call console.log. Okay, but you can also modify the service later to record messages to store them in local storage or database table by web API. Okay, through web API. So some of the methods we'll use for logging AngularJS logs are, so we need to inject $log service for logging. So $log is this one is used for to write log message. Info is used to write the information. $log.warn to write warning message. $log.error to write an error message. $log.debug to write debug message. So this is the case we can use $log. Okay, this is the brief about this. You can get a lot of information in the internet about $log. Okay, we can see example for better understanding. Okay, I already created this example. Open with notepad, you can see. So this is the program. As you know, you can get AngularJS. You can load the AngularJS through this URL. You need to remember this URL. Okay, if you are not using offline mode. So then JavaScript, AngularJS script here, angular.module, we have created module, and from that module we are creating controller. The controller name is called my controller and function. So here parameter is $log. We are injecting $log for logging. Okay, so then we can use $log of log. This is log message. For displaying error message, you can use $log.error. For the information message, you can use $log.info. For warning message, you can use $log.warn, and for debugging information, you can use $log.debug. Okay, that we can see. And here I have given some information about this $log. And here you can see HTML code. I have created form name I have given form1, and I have taken one div tag, and there I represented ng controller. The controller name is my controller. So here I am displaying some message. As a user you should know how you can see the log messages. So go to inspect through the browser black box, then you can see the console on different loggers. See that I can show you, then you can understand very easily. Logs, then open with the browser. So you will see some information for regarding this dollar log. I have given information here. You can read once, then you can understand. So finally have given message go to inspect to see the logging information. How you can go to inspect? Right click on the browser window, go to inspect. Here you can find a console option, right? Click on that console. You can see information about log, info 1, and error message. Log message, error message, information message, warning message. Okay, so see different colors are available. Okay, where easily you can debug, you can recognize it. Okay, dollar log usage is this one. Then you can find number of usages, different ways to use of dollar log. Okay, thank you all. You practice this program also.